Okay, we're going to be looking at patterns and growing patterns, or sequential patterns we call them, and we're going to be looking at how we can use addition and subtraction to help us to identify the rule and continue the growing pattern. You can see here that I've got some houses. The first part of my pattern here, there is one house, and if I count all the matchsticks that are used, there are six matchsticks used. So that's why I put 6 in this part of my table. Now my pattern's growing. There are 2 houses, and I want to see if I can find the rule that's helping it grow. So I count all the matchsticks. I know that there's 6 there, so then I know that makes 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. So I'm going to put 11 in this next to 2 houses. There are 11 matchsticks. Now I've got my third house. It's growing again. So we had 11 up to here. You know there's 11 up to there. And I've added on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 matchsticks. So there are now 16. If I was to continue this pattern, I don't actually need to draw them now. I think I've worked out the rule. I can see a repeating pattern. I can see what is happening and how it's growing. I noticed this time when I added it on, I added on 5 more matchsticks. So I think the rule for this pattern is that it's growing by 5 matchsticks each time. So if I know that's 16, I need to add 5 to it. I know 16 plus 5, 16 plus 4 plus 1 is 21. I can continue this pattern now that I've found the rule. If I want to look at 5 houses, all I'm going to have to say is I would need to add on another 5 to 21, and 21 plus 5 is 26. I could even see a repeating pattern that I know about when I add in 5s, that it repeats here. They look in the ones place, 6 and 1, 6, 1, 6. I can continue this pattern by applying the rule that I've discovered. 26 plus 5 is 31. So for the 7th house, I would need 36, because 31 plus 5 makes 36. I can go all the way up until the 10th house by just continuing adding my rule, which is plus 5. 46. So to make 10 houses, I would need 51 matchsticks. So I went to the house, I found the rule, I looked for the pattern in the column here, if I could see a pattern, a relationship between the numbers, and then I continued the pattern by using my addition, or I could probably do it with my subtraction skills if it was getting smaller. So that's how I've used my addition and subtraction to help me continue in patterns.